A visual treat like the Model S.
Hey everyone, it's me Ken, also known as Tiho.
20 minutes for lightning-fast installation. Very practical front-facing camera. Synchronous display of blind spot warnings. Sync info displayed on the center console. Perfectly compatible with CarPlay. Perfectly pairs with yoke steering wheel.
It's really nice for people who aren't used to looking right for the speedometer and not having a front display. I think it looks really nice. It looks fully integrated with the car and like a very OEM look.